With all the company in town this week and the hustle and bustle that comes hand in hand with Christmas morning, you're going to need something that's fun and festive for the troops. That's why we came up with this fruity breakfast bake that's easy to make, simple to serve, and that's sinfully satisfying. We begin by opening a couple cans of refrigerated biscuits and cutting each one into 6 pieces. Once that's done, we add a little almond extract to a can of cherry pie filling and give it a good mix. Now, we toss the biscuit pieces with the cherry mixture until they're coated and place them in a baking dish. A few sliced almonds go on top and into the oven it goes. While it's baking, we'll throw together an easy 2-ingredient glaze that will drizzle over it once it's done. See, I told you it was easy. And once your house guests or any of your sleepy heads get a whiff of this, they'll be headed to the kitchen in search of what smells so darn good. So don't wait another minute. Go online and print out the recipe for our cherry bubble breakfast bake. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a cherry pull-apart way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.